First morning, but I woke up and it's actually cold, so I get to play with my new heater. Oh, there we go. Didn't think I was even going to need this on this trip. I just checked the phone and it says 10 degrees outside, so that's why it's a bit fresh in here. This little heater is spot on. Proper out in the forests here. First job of the day, always get the brew on. Ain't a bad way to wake up in the morning, is it? Sun though, I need sun. I'm like a bloody lizard or something when I first wake up. I need the sun, like, recharge. Oh, that's better. Been pretty much sat on my arse in the van for about a week, so it's about time I got my body doing something on it. I was a tiny bit, not concerned, but it felt a bit weird last night, you know, staying in the forest. But I bolted my van down properly, so there's no way in other than smashing the windscreen. But then you sort of think about it, and there's a van up there, look. I don't know how well you can see. Normal motorhome up there somewhere. And they, you know, they look how they do, they're all the same. And then you've got mine. Like, I'm not being funny, but you know, if I was a villain, shall we say, of all the vans I'm going to choose, the creepy looking blacked out army van parked in the forest is probably not the one that I'm going to go and break into. I mean, it's just an idea, but because I'd be thinking the person inside is probably going to be just as weird as the van, which may be true. I'll leave that open to the opinion of my peers. good to be back on the bike. Don't know what the time is because I forgot my watch. Good job. I wonder if people swim in here. Bet they do. Looks pretty clear. Ooh. Tell you what, sitting in that blooming van, your body just shuts down. I think I'm over there. See? Those forests there. Oh, I've come quite a way. I was going to walk, but thought might as well do it on the bike. Cover a bit more ground then, can't you? Fishing is good in here. Lake this big. Better get some whoppers. See how quick we can get back. Bike quite a long way around. Didn't realise I just got carried away. Dying. Been a while since I've done that. Feel alive. Feel like a bloody TV presenter. All these microphones and shit everywhere. I suppose actually really kind of am, I presenting my own programme. I'm the director, the video guy, the sound guy, write the scripts, even though there is no scripts. The whole thing is just winging it, as always. How decent that was. I like to do that every morning, but I suppose it depends where I am doing it. I didn't mind leaving the van here because it's pretty safe, but I wouldn't leave it like in a city or something because that would just be daft. Yeah, gonna have a quick shower now and then probably move up there. I don't know, I'll see if there is some sun coming down, but it's a bit patchy. Actually, the sun is just up here, so in about what, half an hour, that's going to be in that gap, and I have full solar, so I'm not moving. I'll just stay here, and then I'll edit the next video. And I'm going to do the van tour here as well. I'll just tidy it up a little bit so I don't look like an absolute tramp. Oh, nice here, this is real nice. Might go line the beach for a bit after, why not, eh? I've done pretty much bugger all today. Just chilled. I just had a little walk around. Well, I say chill, I've been on the laptop most of the day doing editing and stuff, and then just relaxing. What I'm going to do, I just had a little walk up there, and there's some sinks and stuff where I can fill up my water. So I'm going to go do that. Might as well while I'm here. Last me another week or something. Bear in mind, I don't drink this. Well, only in the kettle and food and stuff when I'm boiling it. It's probably safe to drink, but I've always been a bit paranoid like that because it's an easy way to get ill, isn't it? Drinking the water in another country. So I'm sure most of you will think I'm a wimp, but better safe than sorry, ain't it? I've got well, from what I've drank this week, I've got enough bottled water in the back to last me 5 weeks. So different van pulled up now. There's another one tucked away down there in the bushes, and there's a little dispatch behind. Looks like a work van, but I think there's people in it. That's what I used to have. I'll show you. And that's what I lived in for 3 months in like Portugal and Spain. That was an interesting experience, I'll tell you that. 2 people as well. Right. The jugs. 5 litres each, so 20 litres. One thing I'm thinking now though is how I'm going to get back with these and you. Cross that bridge when we get to it in a minute. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This should be fun. Let's try one-handed. There we go. Oh, you bastard. I don't know why I'm recording this. Oh, my finger's going to snap off by the end of it. I don't even know if it is drinking water. I mean, there weren't no signs saying it wasn't. There weren't no signs saying it was. But a bit like if you boil it, won't it? You can boil bloody stream water and it's fine. Made it. Hand's only a little bit broken. Right. So I've now got 45 litres of normal water. And what have I got left? About another 45 litres of drinking water as well. So for one guy, pretty much set for a while. Right, there's a few vans behind, so I think I'm gonna pull up there somewhere and do this tour video for you all.